Hello, and welcome to the Returning Student Registration tutorial. We will begin by going to the district webpage at www.gpisd.org. From here, we will go to the Parents and Students tab and select New Student Online Enrollment and Returning Student Registration. Click the button that says Returning Student Online Registration. This will direct you to the Skyward Family Access login page. Enter your username and password. Once you have logged in, click on Family Access. Next, click on Returning Student Registration and select your child. To begin, click on 1A Student Information. This area is to be verified by the parent or guardian. Always click where it says Complete this step and then move on to the next step. Fields that are grayed out cannot be edited. If any of this information needs to be updated, you will need to contact your child's school. All address change requests that are submitted will not be approved until a current proof of residence with the new address has been provided to your child's school. Starting with Section 2, it is highly recommended that you click on View Full Screen. All custom forms require initials and date as verification that the information being submitted is accurate to the best of your knowledge. Each custom form has the words, "Complete this step and move to the next." This will open each form as you complete the previous one. A green check mark will appear next to each step that has been completed. The last step will be to submit the registration to your child's school. Registration is not complete until a proof of residence has been submitted to your child's school. You will receive an email with additional information about finalizing registration. If you have any issues or questions, please contact your child's school. This concludes this tutorial. Thank you for watching.